Shalom, blessed feast of Trinity. Leave for our wishes on the birthday of Mr. Jimmy Wales of Wikipedia. We also pray for the innocent lives lost in Norway and in Afghan by US Army. May we see them again. Regarding the revolution, the situation is not actually displacing the rulers, but the rulers are left with nothing to rule. The land is diminishing and the poverty is spreading. We had situations previously also, but that time we compromised life in wars. Presently we have skills and technology to handle them effectively well in advance. Our advice is to be best in whatever we are doing, to bring forth economically viable and cost effective, to be perfect and to have maximum productivity. Whoever employed or unemployed, they can make money out of their skills and extracurricular activities. The information being sold, we cannot complain. The people, when they don't have vision about the future, but on those who have the vision and are capable of doing something, they are not doing, and that they are not giving insight for the people. That is the first situation. Today in our topic distance diagnosis, something we have positive to say. Admirable attempt and achievement being made by the scientist, like giving for example blood pressure recorder, automatic diagnoser, and ECG monitor, ECG recorder, which can be heard by the doctor, and he can give instant advice to the patient from distance. Recently by the BBC report, it says there was a scientist discovered a recorder stethoscope. So missing thing is suitable program to put into the computer. Computer also achieved auto tellers for the cholesterol calculation and obesity calculations. This part, so we have to keep in continuation. If we don't see the good things, if we don't recognize them, there is no good in us. If the tree is not good, they can't produce good fruits. If we are not producing good fruits, we are out of the existence. That is the truth. So we categorize them in 4 phases, the distance diagnosis. One is people with what sort of information provided to be healthy. Second is situation where people cannot avoid from going to the hospital or meeting the doctors. There what we can do is self-service by cure, that they adopt some techniques like physical exercise, healthy eating to improve their skill with the help of the diagnosers, that is portable BP instrument, sugar testing, pregnancy testing, like that. In third phase we have instruments by the medical teams. For example, ECG scanning, X-ray, MRI imaging, ultrasound, various scopings, blood test, etc. So what we want is, now they give a printout which the doctors can be used. So what we add is, we need a prescription, automatic tell. After this diagnosis, it can be independently give a list to the list of the prescription. to the doctors or to the patient directly. So computer, we said, when we feed data, it should be in a position to give a prescription with a doctor behind it or without a doctor behind, with a sensor apparatus attached to the computer for the diagnosing purpose. That should be our new inventions. The challenges for the scientist, or without apparatus. So when we have a suitable program for that, we will have ample amount of accurate data bank for referring scientists, students and other viewers for and for R&D investment by the scientists or the investors. And for phase, we have now doctors attending once or twice into the ward, admission wards, and the nurses or the attending people would be informing to the nurse, then to the doctor. It takes lots of time, and during that time the life can be lost too. So what we suggest is a central processing monitor with the data link of these peripherals attached in the beds, admission wards, so that some of the doctors can monitor the development all the times, so that they can advise the people, or they can come personally what to do and save the life more promptly. This is a second session actually. This is artificials. We already have robots in existence that we can use them in situations like explorations, exploitations, fire, and it can be operated by the behind it computer operators, the technicians. So they can be at any type. In real life, human lacks some organs, like robots don't have any organs to be independent. So but we can couple them. Human can couple with the robotic activities, like as we do in animation by abilities coupling. We say that Hollywood, no more dummies, human once. So they have to put into application to the real life, so that is more people born like that or made like that can be in action, active. We can see them in roads more. So if you want to hear about this, you can contact one of our presidents from the list or the vice chair, co-chair. So they will give you detailed explanation about it. Otherwise, you can take this matter to one of your advisor or consultancy to have more explained it until we come out with a, until from my side have a detailed recording. Good luck.